Is your Microsoft.NET Framework apps not working because of the Presentation Framework DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To kick off the Presentation Framework walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Presentation Framework, a critical component of the Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF. It handles the high-level UI logic, including data binding, styles, and control templates. Corruption in this module prevents modern .NET desktop apps from rendering their interface, often resulting in a silent process termination during startup. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Presentation Framework is distributed specifically with Microsoft.NET Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft.NET Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Presentation Framework. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Presentation Framework DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Presentation Framework. If your workstation is back online and Presentation Framework is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.